Now I'm going to answer the question about, does art need to have a message? Hello everyone, my name is Mike Svob and welcome to my channel. I've been teaching and painting for over 30 years and I decided to start this channel to help you become a better artist. Now if you stay with me on this channel on a weekly basis, I will answer your questions and help you become that better artist. Does art need to have a message? No, but everybody's going to take a message away from the artwork. And you, as an artist, are going to create a message when you paint the artwork. So you might as well think about it a little bit and let other people interpret it the way they want to. The way I think about my paintings is my paintings tell a story. They tell a visual story, which is an abstract idea about shapes, values, colors, and edges. And they tell a story about a cultural idea of what it is, where it is, what time it is, all those different things, and really about who I am as an artist. Because when you're painting, you were talking about yourself to yourself, and then other people will interpret it the way they will, and you really don't have any control over that, but you can think you do, and you can tell them you do, but in the end, they're going to see your painting the way they want to, and they're going to interpret your painting the way they want to. So you can try and put a message in, but the message you put in may not be the one they see, but that's fine. As long as somebody likes your painting, you're happy, they're happy. I hope you found this information useful. Now, I have a handout for you called How to Fix Your Painting, and you can get it by clicking on the link below. And thank you for watching.